All right, y'all, I have a super old shop here, and the insulation is either missing or old or was never taken care of properly. Thankfully, BEEST, they sent me their FullStop sound and temperature insulation spray foam. So this kit right here, you get a really high quality nozzle and gun to go with it. You get 12 in this kit cans, plus you get a gun cleaner, you get a full Tyvek suit, and they give you the goggles as well. Now, the nice thing about this is that you get different nozzles so that you can spray above, or you can just spray in a sweeping motion on your walls and such like we have here. So everything here, you have super fine adjustability that you're able to use, and we can go ahead and spray again in here. And it's an expanding foam. You do an inch layer and then you wait for that one to settle, and then you're able to go in again and get up to 2 inches, or I could honestly fill this entire cavity. You are able to paint within 24 hours. It's tacky within 5 minutes, and it sets up super, super quick. This is a really great quality product where each of these cans is able to do, I want to say it's 25 square feet. Let me check real quick. Up to 20 feet squared per can, and I got 12 here, so I'm able to do 240 square feet, which I have. So if you want a really good affordable way to insulate your shop, your garage, your home, you're able to use something like this, and it'll do it way faster. You don't have to deal with really itchy fiberglass fibers. And this is a family owned company out of Pennsylvania who they really care about their people. So if you want to support a great company, if you want to have a better solution for your spray foam, then this FullStop from BEEST is the way to go.